Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install VN Video Editor on your laptop or computer, step by step. This method works for both Windows and Mac, so no matter which system you're using, you'll be able to start editing videos easily. First, open your web browser. It can be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type VN Video Editor and press Enter. You'll see the official VN Video Editor website link. Click on it to go to the website. Once you're on the VN Video Editor website, you'll notice there are different download options depending on your system. If you're using a Mac, click on the Mac Download button. If you're using Windows, click on the Windows Download button. For this tutorial, I'll be showing the Windows version. After clicking the Download button for Windows, you'll be redirected to a page with instructions on how to download VN Video Editor for your PC. The first step is to download an Android emulator called BlueStacks. An emulator allows you to run VN's mobile app on your computer, which is necessary because VN is originally a mobile app. Go to BlueStacks.com and click Download BlueStacks. Wait for the download to finish. It might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once it's done downloading, open the installer. You may get a prompt asking for permission to make changes to your computer. Click Yes. Next, click Install Now. Then click I agree to accept the terms and conditions. The installation process will begin, and this can take a few more minutes depending on your computer's speed. Once the installation finishes, you'll see the setup wizard. Click Next, then Next again, and finally Done to complete the BlueStacks setup. Now open BlueStacks, and you'll see the main interface. At the top of the window there's a search bar. Type VN Video Editor and press Enter. You'll see the VN app appear in the search results. Click on it, then select Install from Google Play. Next, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. Enter your Gmail, email, and password to log in. After signing in, you'll be redirected to the Google Play Store inside BlueStacks. Click Install to download VN Video Editor. Once the installation finishes, click Open, and the VN Video Editor app will launch on your PC. From here, you can start a new project, import videos, and begin editing just like you would on a mobile device. You can trim clips, add music, insert text, and use all the features VN provides. And that's it! You now have VN Video Editor installed on your laptop or PC and ready to create professional quality videos.